Hello and welcome to HW News. The coronavirus cases across the globe are continuously rising. Now globally, coronavirus has infected over 1 crore 17 lakh people and more than 5 lakh 41,000 people have died due to coronavirus. In India, as of now, there are a total of 6 lakh 19,000 cases of coronavirus. 2 lakh 59,000 among them are the active cases, whereas 4 lakh 39,000 among them have either been cured, discharged or migrated. Close to 20,160 people have died due to coronavirus in India. Now, the country recorded 22,252 new coronavirus cases and 467 deaths in the last 24 hours. The total number of samples tested up to July 6 is 1 crore 2 lakh, of which 2,41,000 samples were tested only yesterday. The Central Board of Secondary Education, the CBSE, has rationalized the syllabus for classes 9 to 12 for the academic year 2020 to 2021 by up to 30% to make up for the academic loss caused due to COVID-19, the Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank announced on Tuesday. He tweeted that looking at the extraordinary situation prevailing in the country and the world, CBSE has advised to revise the curriculum and reduce course load for the students of classes 9 to classes 12. Universities and schools across the country have been closed since March 16 when the central government announced a countrywide classroom shutdown as one of the measures to contain the COVID-19 outbreak. Now let's move on to important news of the day. After the Lok Sabha Secretariat issued guidelines on the do's and don'ts for standing committee meetings, the Rajya Sabha has also drawn up a protocol taking into account the COVID-19 situation. The development comes after a series of meetings between Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu, Rajya Sabha Secretary General and the officers, after which a list of what can be allowed was prepared. The most important aspect is to ensure that attendees maintain social distancing, with protocol mandating that a distance of 6 feet be maintained between two persons. Secondly, only two officials from a ministry or department would be allowed in the meeting. In case more than two officers are available, they will have to wait outside the venue and can enter in turns. There is no restriction on the number of personnel from a said ministry or department who can be examined by the committees. No hard copies of documents, papers and reports would be allowed to be brought to the meeting. If the material needs to be distributed, soft copies will be circulated. Now, these are the measures that the Rajya Sabha Secretariat is taking to avoid any COVID-19 infection. Let's move on to next news. Face masks and hand sanitizers are no more essential products as their supply is sufficient in the country and therefore they are now kept out of the purview of the Essential Commodities Act 1955, the Consumer Affairs Secretary Leena Nandan said on Tuesday. On March 13, the Union Consumer Affairs Ministry had declared face masks and hand sanitizers as essential commodities for 100 days to boost supply and prevent hoarding of these items in its fight to check the spread of coronavirus. Now, these two products were declared as essential items till June 30th, but it was not extended further as there is enough supply in the country. A decision in this regard was taken after consultation with the state governments. Now, masks such as 2-ply, 3-ply surgical masks and N95 mask and hand sanitizers were brought under the Essential Commodities Act, empowering the states to regulate the production, distribution and prices of these items and also crack down on hoarding and black marketing. Let's move on to next news. The center on Monday said that the average number of samples being tested per day for COVID-19 has gone up in Delhi from 5,481 to 18,766 in about a month, and in spite of the increased testing, the positivity rate has declined from around 30% to 10% in the last 3 weeks. The government also said that the national positivity rate percentage of samples testing coronavirus positive from the total number of coronavirus samples has also reduced and now it stands at 6.73%. In Delhi, efforts are being made by the Union Territory were significantly bolstered by the central government to ensure an increase in testing. Now, tests were ramped up through increased RT-PCR testing along with the new rapid antigen point of care test, which gives result in only about 30 minutes. Let's move on to next news. Amidst the rising coronavirus cases across the nation, West Bengal government has planned to completely lock down the North 24 Parganas district. The development comes after a proposal came up from the North 24 Parganas district administration for a fresh containment plan. As per the latest update, Bidhan Nagar, Barsat, Basirhat, Barakpur and other municipal areas will likely to come under the lockdown. In the district of North 24 Parganas will go into a lockdown. According to the proposal from the district administration, markets and public places will be closed but standalone shops will remain open. The district administration also proposed that offices can operate with 20% strength. All international and domestic passenger flights to and from Kolkata airport and also shutdown of places of worship have been proposed in the draft plan. However, the state government is yet to decide on the date of imposition of the fresh lockdown. The decision will be taken after the state administration reviews the entire situation. Well, that's all for COVID-19 update today. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.